Welcome to Synefo, the AI-powered multi-cloud platform that unifies monitoring, cost optimization, security, automation, and generative infrastructure as code for Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Synefo provides your team with a single dashboard for real-time management, cost efficiency, and complete visibility across AWS, Azure, and GCP. Gain actionable insights into compute, storage, networking, and services operating in all your cloud environments, AWS, Azure, and GCP, with Synefo. Thanks to advanced AI, Synefo helps your team eliminate cloud waste, ensure governance, minimize costs, and automate processes to boost performance across every cloud platform. Synefo serves as your centralized control hub for AWS, Azure, and GCP, making smarter decisions and streamlined management possible on your multi-cloud journey. Start by clicking the cost icon to dive into your spending insights. Scroll down to get a clear picture of costs across all accounts and your total spend overview. Look closely at the top services and see how costs are spread out across regions on the map. Hover over the spend overview chart to pinpoint costs for specific categories. Spot unused high-cost services and dig into compute costs displayed in the bar chart. Check out EC2 weekend spending and browse through the detailed list of charges by individual AWS services, noting each one's total cost. Review the reserved instance cost savings table, scrolling horizontally for detailed recommendations and the percentage of potential monthly savings. Expand the details for API Gateway and Amplify to view specific usage quantities. Wrap up by scrolling back to the top of the page. Start by accessing the Security and Compliance dashboard from the top menu. Instantly, you'll see a clear summary of all security and compliance issues across your environment. Dive into various severity levels. Click through Critical, High, Medium, Low, and Info tabs to get detailed insights into each category of findings. Head back to the Critical tab, pick a finding, and hit View Fix. A modal pops up with a remediation URL, though a flowchart isn't available yet. Follow the URL to the official AWS documentation for comprehensive remediation guidance, then return to the dashboard and dismiss the modal. Click the ticket icon to bring up the Jira issue creation modal. Take a moment to review the pre-filled details, then simply close it. Switch over to the High Severity tab and start examining various findings. For numerous issues, select View Fix to explore remediation flows, closing each modal after checking the relevant information and documentation links for each vulnerability. Navigate through the top menu and select the Visualizer option. This will allow you to view your architecture in a more dynamic and interactive way. Once you've selected the visualizer, the system will begin rendering your infrastructure. It starts with a global map and then transitions into a detailed, interactive diagram that shows all your cloud resources spread across different regions. Next, click on an application load balancer. In the side panel that appears, you can review its configuration. Pay close attention to the DNS name, check the current state, and expand the availability zone information to further inspect the network setup. After reviewing the application load balancer, close the Details panel and zoom out to shift focus to another section of your architecture. When you spot a stopped instance, instead select a running R6i. Large instance. Here, you'll want to inspect the block device mappings and network interfaces. Dive deeper into the instance configuration by looking at CPU options, hibernation settings, metadata, and maintenance configurations. Also, take a moment to review network performance details and operator information. Conclude by verifying the monitoring status, checking the private IP address, and then zoom out to get a full view of your environment. Synthia integrates smoothly with leading cloud platforms, including AWS, Azure, and GCP. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on Microsoft Azure. Select Azure to unlock tailored features. Then, launch the Cynthia AI Assistant to streamline management of your cloud resources. Within Cynthia, choose your Azure subscription and start a chat session. This allows Cynthia to deliver guidance and recommendations specific to your cloud environment with every interaction. Ask Cynthia to display all resource groups in your subscription. Cynthia promptly lists all resource groups and their deployment regions, giving you a clear overview of your Azure setup. Cynthia summarizes your resource groups, making it easy to see all deployed assets at once. Now let's generate an Azure Policy Compliance report to see how our environment aligns with governance standards. Cynthia scans the subscription, identifies non-compliant resources, and highlights the key policy issues we need to address. Review the compliance findings. Cynthia offers actionable recommendations to resolve policy concerns and help align your resources with enterprise standards. Finally, for cost optimization, let's have Cynthia identify the top 5 most expensive resources in our environment, including virtual machines, managed disks, public IPs, and app service plans. In seconds, we gain clear visibility into where our Azure spend is going, enabling smarter, data-driven decisions. And this is just the beginning. Cynthia offers many more capabilities to help streamline governance, strengthen security, and continuously optimize your cloud environment. Provisioning using infrastructure as code, IAC, is supported across all 3 major cloud providers. Today, we're focusing on GCP. Welcome to Synefo. Select Google Cloud Platform as your provider and navigate to the Provisioning tab. When the IAM Permissions window appears, click Yes, Continue to proceed with your deployment setup. In Cloud Orchestrator, you have the option to select a project directly or select one within a folder. Let's continue with a project inside a folder. Change the resource type to folder. Select your folder. Choose the required project and save your changes. On the right side panel, you can also view your previous deployment sessions. Now let's try asking it to build an auto-scaling, cost-efficient HRMS platform and see what it can do. I'll provide a detailed prompt and generate the complete blueprint. Take a moment to review the HRMS platform blueprint. Make sure services like storage buckets, compute instances, and VPC networks are accurate. Click View DM Config to launch Infrastructure Composer, then review both the Deployment Manager configuration and the visual topology. Hit Deploy, go over the estimated costs in the confirmation pop-up, and finalize your deployment. Now, let's create a live deployment. In Cloud Orchestrator, enter a prompt to set up a storage bucket for birthday event images. After reviewing the storage bucket blueprint, click View DM Config and initiate the deployment. Approve the deployment, track its progress, and continue refreshing the page until you see it's marked as done. Select View Deployment Manifest to open the Google Cloud Console and review your new resources. Head to the Cloud Storage section in your GCP console to confirm the storage bucket was successfully created. Thank you for exploring Synefo's intelligent CloudOps capabilities across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. By combining real-time visibility, proactive security insights, and automated cost management, Synefo enables teams to operate with confidence at scale. Visit Synefo.ai to request a personalized demo and discover how Synefo can transform your cloud operations.